Yes, so we're going to be looking at the count function. So what the count function simply does is that it counts the number of cells in the range that contain numbers. What do I mean, you ask? We can have this as an example. Let's say we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 80, 100, 90. So let's say we want to know how many numbers are in this range. We can simply press the equal sign, then we'll say count function, there it is, counts the number of cells in a range that contain numbers. We'll say count, then we'll highlight the range, so we'll say that range. Then if we use the count function, it should be able to count how many numbers are in this range. So let's try to count them manually. We can say there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9 numbers in this range, and there it is. So let's say if I try to remove the or delete the 4 there, it should show 8 because there would be only 8 numbers in that particular range that I had typed in before. 8, delete, we'll have 7 because there are 7 numbers in this range.